To replace the jet pump adapter, first of all, we'll have to open the side panel so that you can look through the space right here and then look for the adapter. So this is the power box right here. You will see jet pump right here, and then the output. So this outlet is the output. This is a jet pump outlet. So there's also a label on here. And then you can unplug the jet pump. And you can see the a box right here is the jet pump controller, and there is a connection right here that you can unscrew this one right here. And when you unscrew this one, you can take it off and then put the new adapter on and screw it back on. The other thing is to make sure we matching the mark right here with the other side, so it can go in. And if it not go in, don't try to push it in. We have to line up those two marks. There's a mark right on here, and there's a mark right here. You line it up and then push it in together and screw this in to replace the jet pump adapter. And after that, you just plug it back into the outlet and close the side panel back.